Same word is used as a different part of speech in English language. Let us have a look at those examples where a word is used as a different part of speech. Words may belong to different parts of speech as follows. For example, after. They arrived soon after. When did they arrive? Soon after. So that means it is describing the time when the action took place. So it will be called an adverb, because we all know that adverb adds to the verb. So when we will question, when did they arrive? Soon after. So that means it will be an adverb. Whereas in the following sentence, it will become a conjunction. The same word after is being used in this sentence, and let us have a look what part of speech it is. We went away after they had left. So here it is telling about the two sentences being joined by the word after, and here it is working as a conjunction. So the students need to learn practicing it with logic to understand when they are asked to analyze the sentence and say what part of speech the word is, then they need to analyze it with a logic and try to understand whether the same word which they think is working as an adverb could work as a conjunction. So we went away after they had left. So there are two parts of the sentences. We went away, they had left. And these two parts of the sentences have been joined by making one sentence by using the conjunction after, whereas after is also used as an adverb in the first sentence. So the learners need to differentiate between the two parts of speech and understand how to analyze the sentence and how to make sense of the parts of speech used in the sentences. Let us look at this example. Analyze the above statement. Here the word is being used as an adjective. Moral law is above the civil. Here it is being used as a preposition. So analyze the above statement. Which statement? Above statement. So it is describing the noun statement. So when something describes the noun, then it is an adjective. Analyze the above statement. Which statement? Above statement. So the statement is described by above. So it becomes an adjective. Whereas in the sentence which says moral law is above the civil, here it is telling about the position. Moral law is here. It is above the civil law. Therefore, here above is actually describing the position of moral law, which is above or higher than the civil law. So in that case, it is not an adjective. It is not describing the moral law. It is not describing the civil law. Therefore, it is not describing a noun, and thus it is not an adjective. What is above doing in this sentence? Above is just explaining the position of the moral law being above the civil law. So it is the position that is being mentioned by the word above here, and here this then becomes the part of speech which we call preposition, because preposition is the part of speech which tells us about the position of the noun. So here the position of the noun is being told by the word above, and therefore in this sentence or in this example, above becomes preposition instead of it being called an adjective. Therefore, so many words in English language need to be analyzed in a logical manner, and the students must be practicing those words again and again and look at the logic of the sentence and look at the part of speech to which they belong by having a sense of understanding whether the word is being used as which part of speech in the sentence.